In this video, I'll be revealing the top 3 movie apps for iPhone and iPad devices. These apps are 100% legal and can be found in the official App Store. Now, number 1 on my list is OSN Plus. Now, this platform offers a whole lot of movies and TV shows that you can actually stream for free legally. And the best part is that they have high quality content. Like when you are watching on their platform, you are going to be seeing a whole lot of content that are actually of high quality. And as you can see on your screen, so many stuff are available on this platform. Now, this platform is actually available as a website and also is available as an app. Now, let me show you guys the app. Now, you can see on my app store, you can actually see that it's actually available, and the name again is OSN Plus. Now you can see in here so many stuff are available on this platform, and like I said, it has 4K content, which is high quality content. So you guys have to go ahead and download this app and give it a try. Number 2 on my list is Plex, also known as Plex TV. Now with this platform, you can actually stream a whole lot of content like web series, movies, and a lot of stuff. You can see that on your screen right now. Discover new TV shows and movies. So many stuff are available on this platform. So you have to also check it out. And also the best part about this platform called Plus TV is that they actually have a lot of live TV channels available. You can see that. Watch all of our live TV. So a lot of live TV channels are also available on this platform. So you guys have to go ahead and check it out. So you can actually stream in here for free legally. Now, if you are finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button. I'm really going to appreciate if you actually take out time to do that. Now, the third on my list is also super powerful, and this is called Just Watch. Now, you can actually see the app. Now, this app is super popular already and is very powerful. Now, you can see that the app is available on the official app store. Now, this platform is also available as a website. So you can see the website in here. You can see so many stuff are available, like so many movies, so many TV shows are all available on this platform for you to actually stream for free legally. And also the best part is that there's actually a trick to this website. Like once you come to this price section and you click on it, you actually see a lot of options. So you can click on free, and everything that you'll be seeing on their platform are things that you can watch for free legally. Also, you can click on buy and rent to also access a lot of premium content like movies and TV shows also that you can actually rent and related. Also at the same time, you can select your quality from SD to HD to 4K. So it's pretty much any one of your choice. Now in this video, I've given you guys 3 really good platforms. So you have to check them out. I give you guys OSN Plus, available on the App Store. I give you guys Plex. I give you guys Just Watch. So go ahead and give anyone that you actually like a try. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.